Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best drum machine beatmaker is probably one of the most versatile tools for music production. Whether you're a seasoned producer or just starting out, creating beats with a drum machine is an incredibly rewarding experience. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of drum machines, exploring their features, capabilities, and how they can elevate your music to the next level. Get ready to unleash your inner rhythm and discover the perfect beatmaking companion. Number 5. Pyle Pro PTED-06 Electronic Tabletop Drum Set. This electronic drum kit offers a full drum set experience. It features 7 drum pads and a hi-hat and kick bass drum pedal controller, perfect for both professionals and beginners. The Pyle PTED-06 comes with 55 preset and 10 custom drum kits. It also includes over 300 drum sounds and a drum trainer mode, making it ideal for learning. The digital control panel features an LCD screen and various audio controls. This allows you to create, record, and customize your music with ease. You can connect this tabletop drum set to your computer via USB. It acts as a MIDI connection for your favorite software. It also has AUX and phone-out jacks. This portable drum kit can be powered by an AC adapter or 6C batteries. It's easy to take wherever you go, and it comes with drumsticks for practice. What we like. This drum machine offers a full drum set sound, perfect for beginners and professionals alike. Its digital control panel allows for easy customization and recording. If you're looking for a portable drum kit that you can take anywhere, this is the one for you. What people say. Well built, very light, lots of options, the samples sound realistic. The sounds it produces are high quality, someone could actually gig with this if they wanted to. I love how easy it is to arrange the kit and adjust the voices to my liking. For example, the hi-hat pad in the original setup is in the middle of the set, which felt weird to me, so I switched it to the upper left-hand pad so that it would feel closer to the way my acoustic kit is set up. I'm also going to set it up as a jazz kit as a second option, and also try a few other of the many other kits and voices available. Number 4. Akai MPC Studio MIDI Controller. This controller features 16 velocity-sensitive RGB pads. They respond to your touch, capturing every nuance of your performance. With Aftertouch, you can add even more expression to your beats. The assignable touch strip lets you control effects and note repeat. It's perfect for real-time, hands-on performances. This feature is a great addition to any home studio setup. Enjoy tangible controls for a hands-on experience. The LCD color display provides visual feedback. You can also use the chords and scale modes to create your own unique sounds. It includes a full MPC2 software license. You'll get access to 10 powerful instrument plugins. There are also studio mixing and mastering FX, plus vocal tuning tools. It comes with educational features, preset sounds, and sound packs. There are also demos and templates to help beginners start producing right away. This makes it easy to learn. MPC Stem supports both MPC Standalone and MPC2 Desktop. You can isolate drums, bass, music, and vocals from any recording. This opens up a whole new world of creative possibilities. Get a full month of Splice with your purchase. You'll unlock the ultimate sample library. Register your product to redeem 30 days of access to the Splice Creator Plan. What we like. This beatmaker features velocity-sensitive pads, ensuring every detail of your performance is captured. It comes with a full production suite, including software and plugins. If you are a beginner, the educational features will help you start producing music right away. You should consider it. What people say. Perfect for just chopping up or making beats, software works well and is user-friendly, very sturdy, and a perfect starter producer gift. The pads are better than on the MPC one. They are bigger and from experience more sensitive too. Easy to set up and use, with great feeling pads. The associated MPC software has a bit of a learning curve for someone used to a conventional DAW, but is very powerful. Number 3. Synido TempoPAD MIDI Drum Pad Controller. This is the Synido MIDI Pad Controller. It has an intuitive layout and is easy to use, making it perfect for beginners. This ultralight and portable beat machine is ideal for making music on the go. The beat pad has dedicated controls for key features and functions. It also includes 4 flexible encoders and practical transport controls. This allows you to focus on your creativity and easily select, edit, and play sounds. It features 16 drum pads with 3 memory banks, providing a total of 48 virtual pads. The velocity-sensitive curves respond to your strikes in real time. The durable silicone pad provides a more expressive playing experience. The Synido MIDI pad controller is compatible with most DAWs. It offers ultra-precise flexibility with its editor, making it suitable for all skill levels. The full-color range editable beat pads are useful for visual cues. This pad is highly versatile and can be used with any MIDI-enabled device. It features a plug-and-play design with a Type-C connector for faster data transfer. An extra independent DC 5V jack provides additional power for more reliable music production. What we like. This beat machine has an intuitive layout, making it easy to learn and use. The backlit beat pads provide visual cues for smooth creation. If you like a portable and versatile beat machine that is compatible with most DAWs, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. It's exactly what it says it is, and I love the size cause I have big hands and the bag that came with it perfect. I found this product very easy to use and works great with GarageBand and Luna on my Mac. Both of my go-to DAWs had a ton of features I rarely used due to not having a MIDI controller I enjoyed. This product really got my creativity flowing and made making music a lot more fun. The lights on the control board were very cool looking and even color-coded the buttons based on the key I was in. Wow! So many features I did not expect on a MIDI controller under $100. I plan on mapping it to my Easy Drummer software next to dial and drum tracks quickly. Highly recommend. Great product. I was honestly very surprised by the build quality for the price. It feels very solid, and does exactly what you expect it to. Number 2. Korg Volca Drum Digital Percussion Synthesizer. This compact synthesizer is designed for music creation on the move. It's small enough to carry with you, and it even has a built-in speaker, so you can make music anywhere. It features a 16-step sequencer, making music programming intuitive and flexible. You can easily create and modify your drum patterns with this feature. The device is equipped with a 6-part DSP synth engine. This allows you to create a wide range of drum sounds, from classic to experimental. The waveguide resonator adds rich resonances to your drum sounds. This feature helps to give the sounds more depth and character. The active step function lets you replace steps for each part. This adds variety to your patterns, keeping your music fresh and interesting. The slice function finally divides a step. This allows for drum rolls and intricate rhythms, giving you even more control over your beats. 2 randomize functions expand your inspiration. They randomly change sounds and settings, helping you discover new and exciting sounds. What we like. This digital percussion synthesizer is compact and portable, ideal for on-the-go music creation. It features a 16-step sequencer for intuitive programming. If you are looking for a unique and versatile drum machine with a wide range of sounds, you should consider it. What people say. The drum machine is easy to use and has a great sound. The step sequencer is intuitive and fun to use. The drum machine has a wide variety of sounds and patterns. Number 1. Alesis State Route 16 Drum Machine, Studio Grade Standalone. This is a legendary classic drum machine. It's perfect for songwriters, live performers, and mix engineers. It has become a studio icon. It includes 233 professional sounds. The built-in digital effects add realism, and it's powered by Alesis' exclusive dynamic articulation technology. It offers complete MIDI support. You can use it with keyboards, computers, DAWs, and electronic drum kits. This allows for easy integration into your existing setup. It features 4 outputs, configured as stereo pairs. There are also 2 function footswitch jacks for start-stop and count AB fill. This provides flexible connectivity options. It offers sound stacking, step editing, and stereo samples with reverb and ambience. These features make it a powerful tool for music production. It has 12 velocity-sensitive pads with dynamic articulation. This allows for expressive and dynamic performances. You can create a wide range of rhythms and beats. It comes with 50 preset and 50 user drum kits. You can assign 233 sounds to any pad. This gives you a vast library of sounds to work with. What we like. This drum machine provides studio-grade sounds and seamless MIDI connectivity. It includes production-ready features like sound stacking and step editing. If you are a songwriter or live performer looking for a classic drum machine, this is the one for you. What people say. You can indeed change the length of the patterns. You can use whatever tempo you want, 120, 140, whatever, and you can make the patterns 4 beats long, or 8, or 16, etc. You can customize your own drum setup, so you have a couple bass, etc. There are a ton of different sound variations for every kind of drum sound you want. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.